Ooh-wee, guys. Look at all the turbo goodness sitting over. Guys, look at this. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are headed out to Dover's, and as you can see, the sun is finally out. Came out yesterday about 3 or 4 o'clock, and I woke up this morning and it was out. Even though it's 30 something degrees, I am still out. I'm not gonna let that keep me in the house today on a beautiful sunny day. We are headed out to Dover's and see what we can get into out there, so I will see you there. Guys, we are not the only one out. Check out that truck. Oh my Lord, that thing is beautiful. One day. All right, guys, we are here, and look who showed up. Derek's here. What's going on, Derek? What are you up to out here?
Just doing a little dropping off, swapping parts.
Guys, this tent, we were just talking about the car, but the tent really sets this off. Also, a few of you have asked about stickers. I've got a couple of different designs being made right now, and when I get them, we are going to see which ones you guys want and like, and then I'll get some of those made. I've got this design, and I've got another something different that I'm trying to get made. We'll see how it goes, but I'll put that in a video. Also, I'm going to design some more shirts and things like that. If you don't know, you can go on to Teespring, and I have a store. It's Teespring. I'll put a link down in the description, and you can buy the t-shirts. I've got t-shirts, hoodies, and stuff like that. It's got it's never fast enough on the back, always chasing the high, and it's SpeedX 731 across the front. I'm in the middle of designing some more shirts, but if you want that shirt, they're available on Teespring, and the new shirts will be available on Teespring also. So guys, go check it out. So where's the engine at that you dropped off?
Oh, it's in there.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm picking up some Gen 2 heads too.
Are you?
Yeah. I've been trying to find some Gen 2 heads.
So you took your engine out of your black car?
Yeah.
Okay, so took his engine out of his black car, and he's putting in
a built sleeve motor.
A built sleeve motor. We thought his motor was sleeved, but come to find out it wasn't sleeved. It was built, however it wasn't sleeved. He wanted to go with the sleeve motor, yeah. So he went ahead and bit the bullet and RPG.
Yeah,
RPG, very good builder out of California, right? Yeah. RPG out of California. He's got a built short block. I don't know if he wants too much information about it or not.
In due time.
In due time,
yeah.
But it's going to be wicked, guys. That car's going to be wicked, and I'm not getting in the car with you. Whoa.
I know, I was ready for it.
Not without a cage.
Yeah.
All right, let's go here and check this out. All right, so this is Derek's old engine. Right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna set that on there, man. Set that on the truck over there.
And he is Dover's. You buying this, right?
Yes.
What are we putting it in? Secret project. All right, anyway, we're putting it in something, hopefully what we talked about.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully. Let me see what's going on over here.
I mean, if I do, Alex, I'm sure it's gonna
Ooh-wee, guys, look at all the turbo goodness sitting over here.
He got his wheels spinning. Alex will figure something out.
Look at this.
Nice car.
Oh, I love that. This is an awesome setup in my opinion. On 3 turbos, not very expensive. You've got a push rod, a 302, or you can put a 351 in here, whatever you want. And these cars actually get on down, so I can't wait to see this thing and see what it'll do on the road. Guys, look at this. The Gen 3R. The Gen 3R, guys. But you're not using this, are you?
No, it's being sold.
Being sold, guys.
Yep.
So if you're smart enough to put 2 and 2 together,
you can figure
you
it out.
might know what's coming for his car. But hopefully this all be done come spring.
Oh, before then.
Oh, yeah.
Another few weeks.
Yeah, because that's the main reason you wanted to go with it. Once you find out the motor wasn't sleeved and the power you were wanting to go with,
Yeah.
you said, you know what?
Yeah, just might as well
might as well do it now. when it's cold outside. And you're getting a cage in this car, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay, good. All right, guys, a lot of things going on out here today. Alex has got the truck together. Just look at this, guys. Oh, got the wheels on it. Got the blacked out emblems on it. I mean, this truck is sweet, guys. I'll throw in a clip from, if you haven't watched Foxcast videos, I'll throw in a clip from last week of what it looked like. And he just got it back from the paint shop last week. Now he's got the lights tinted. He blacked out Ford emblem on the back. Dude, I love it.
Yeah, that's clean. That's what I wanted.
Man.
I was toying with this idea for a long time too, just when I got rid of my red Mustang.
Guys, this is yes. Man, I just love it, man.
Yeah, I do too.
Ah, these things. Now it just needs a blower. That's all it needs now is a blower. All right, guys. Derek has not heard the exhaust in person, and I'm gonna let him listen to it, see what he thinks about it. I absolutely love it. All right. That's deep.
Better than my MBRP did.
So you like this better than your MBRP? Okay, there you guys. He had MBRP. He said he likes this better.
No cats and long tubes, so that's
yeah.
If you ever do that to this, it's going to change the sound.
Yes, exactly.
I would leave it like that if you can.
Pony 1992 had this exact same catback, and he just switched to long tubes. Not gonna give it away, but I can't tell on camera. So, but I'm interested to see what he thinks.
The cats, you leave the cats in.
No,
because that's where the sound change really does. When I took the cats out.
Well, I'll plead the fifth on that. no, it's catless from what I understand.
Yeah.
But
off road.
But yeah, it's right now it's very, very deep, and it sounds different from all the other S550s running around here.
I like it better than the Corsa, actually.
I do too.
Yeah.
When I got the Corsa, I did it because I wanted something different.
Right.
And then here lately, everybody's getting Corsa on their S550s. Right. So I had Corsa on the black car. So when I went with this car, I wanted something different. So, and that's why I ended up going with Pypes. Puts the muffler up there, just straight through design. So if I do go turbo, it's a straight through muffler, so it's less restrictive than a baffled muffler. Right. So it'll actually work out in my favor, at least I hope so. Yeah. But let it warm up a minute and we'll get some revs.
Dang.
And that's still with Cadillac converters.
Golly.
All right, we are back in the shop, guys, and this right here is a 434. Now this has got a ton of goodies, correct, Dover? It went what, mid 4 seconds with a Pro Charger? 460s with a Pro Charger, and it's been refreshed. Dover's had it sitting here. It's like a new motor. Like I said, all new bearings. Everything's refreshed in it. 434, and you can get a hold of Dover. Contact Dover, but 10 grand. 10.
Callus crank, billet rods, diamond pistons.
So dart block, Callus crank. What'd you say? Pistons.
Diamond pistons, billet rods.
This one right here.
Shaft rockers, high port heads.
That's it. It's a mean motor.
Boost motor.
It is a mean engine. I mean, it is ready to rock and roll. Like I said, it went mid 460s with a Pro Charger. So it's got the turbo manifold, the headers on it and all that. 10 grand. This is easily, I think you priced everything. It's like a 20 grand engine if you build this new. It's like
At least 20.
like at least a $20,000 motor. So if you're interested, 10 grand gets this motor. If you're interested, you can get a hold of me. I'll get a hold of Dover, or you can go Coyote Dover on Instagram. I'll throw it link in the description, but go check it out, guys, if you're interested.
If you want to go fast.
Yeah, if you want to go fast, that's what you need. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Kind of just my day out here. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.